again.
Bring it away from his face maybe a little bit. Yeah, when it was out there.
That's the catnip one.
Make him do it fast. Do it
I
again.
can't get it out.
Oh, he's got it.
It has his claw. Can't get it out really well.
Yeah.
Here.
He's
Here.
eating the weed.
Oh, God.
Don't eat
It's on your claw. Oh, there you go.
Okay, now make him do it fast.
No.
That one has elastic.
Oh. Do it this way so we can see his face.
Get your claw off. He's got his claw on it. There.
Okay, like do it around there.
Here we go.
He gets that one really
Try
bad.
Give it
that
to Becca, Addison, so that
He likes that one because
I can't get it.
Wait.
Brushy, will you let go?
Nope.
Yeah.
Oh, aren't you smart? Oh, that was too cute. Oh, look at him chewing. He's like a little dog.
Don't you want it? Here you go.
Oh, look at him.
Here, you do that one.
Come here. If you
Come here.
He likes that other one.
oh.
quick.